What if every star you've ever seen, including our sun, was born from the ashes of another? What if the light that fills the night sky began inside a cosmic cloud, where chaos and creation collide? These are the nebulas, the wombs of the universe, where stars ignite and new worlds begin their long, uncertain journey through space. Before we dive into this breathtaking journey through the cosmic nurseries of the universe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Deep Space Explained, where every light in the sky tells a story. Across the galaxy, floating in the silence of the void, lie immense clouds of gas and dust, some stretching hundreds of light years across. These are not empty spaces. They are stellar nurseries, places where gravity, temperature, and time work together to spark creation. But here's the mystery. If nebulas give birth to stars, what gave birth to them? The answer is poetic. Nebulas are the remains of death itself. When a massive star dies in a supernova, it scatters its elements into the cosmos: hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, iron, the very ingredients of life. Over millions of years, this stardust gathers again, pulled together by gravity, forming vast clouds. From death comes rebirth. And within these dark regions, something extraordinary happens. Gravity starts compressing matter until atoms fuse, igniting a new sun. Inside these clouds, temperatures drop to near absolute zero. Hydrogen atoms begin to cluster, forming dense pockets called protostars. These protostars grow heavier, their cores heating up under the relentless pull of gravity. Then, in a single cosmic moment, fusion begins. Hydrogen becomes helium. Light floods the darkness. A star is born. And yet, the nebula doesn't die. It becomes the sculptor of planets. The leftover dust and debris begin to orbit the newborn star, colliding, merging, forming worlds, moons, and comets. Could our own solar system have been born inside such a nebula? Astronomers believe it was. The solar nebula hypothesis suggests our sun and planets emerged from one such colossal cloud 4.6 billion years ago. So, every breath we take, every atom in your body, once drifted in the heart of a nebula. But nebulas are not just cosmic factories. They are among the most beautiful objects ever seen by human eyes. The Orion Nebula, visible to the naked eye, glows with brilliant colors: pink hydrogen, blue oxygen, and emerald green sulfur. The Eagle Nebula, captured in NASA's Pillars of Creation, shows towering columns of gas, mountains of matter sculpted by stellar winds. Each nebula tells a different story. Some are regions of creation, others the ashes of destruction. The Crab Nebula, for instance, is the remnant of a supernova explosion witnessed by ancient astronomers in 1054 AD. Its ghostly filaments still expand through space, carrying the fingerprints of the star that once was. But if nebulas give us such beauty, could they also hide dangers or even secrets about how universes evolve? The vibrant colors we see in telescope images are not painted. They're produced by the very atoms that make up these clouds. When ultraviolet light from nearby stars excites atoms of hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur, they emit distinct wavelengths of light, a cosmic fingerprint. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has recently revealed astonishing details: hidden stars forming deep within opaque clouds. It shows how dust, once thought lifeless, actually seeds the chemistry of life, complex carbon chains forming even before planets exist. Every nebula is a laboratory, teaching us that creation and destruction are two sides of the same cosmic coin. But what if this cycle never ends? What if the universe itself, the stars, the galaxies, the nebulas, is just one heartbeat in an infinite loop of cosmic rebirth? Behind the luminous clouds and colors lies something invisible, the silent architects of the cosmos. Gravity, the universal sculptor, gathers scattered atoms into patterns so vast they could swallow entire solar systems. Time, the patient artist, shapes these clouds over millions of years, turning random chaos into order. And perhaps most mysterious of all, dark matter, unseen yet massive, weaves invisible threads that hold these celestial nurseries together. Without these hidden forces, stars could never form, and worlds like ours would never exist. So, the next time you see a nebula glowing across the darkness, remember, it's not just light you're seeing. It's the invisible hand of creation itself. When you look at a nebula, you're not just seeing light, you're seeing time itself. Those clouds are thousands of light years away. The light you see tonight began its journey before humanity even existed. And yet, it reaches your eyes now. Proof that we are part of a living, breathing cosmos. Maybe, somewhere in those clouds, another star is being born at this very moment. A star that might one day have its own worlds, its own stories. And maybe, far in the future, another civilization will look up at our sun and realize it too was born in the dust of creation. If nebulas are the cradles of stars, then every beam of light across the universe is a message that from chaos, beauty is born. If this journey through cosmic birth inspired you, make sure to subscribe to Deep Space Explained, where we turn the mysteries of the cosmos into stories that light up your imagination. Until next time, keep looking up, because somewhere among the stars, your own story is still being written.